we're almost done. Now we just need to export our project.
Your video now is done and ready to be shown to the world. Now you might didn't use the full length of the timeline, so you should make sure to make an endpoint of your video. To do this, go to the end of your final video in the timeline and press the letter O, which stands for out. It will automatically select the beginning of the timeline to the end of your out point. If you want your video to start later than your timeline, go to the point where you want your video to be starting and press I, which stands for in point. Now it's time to export. Just press Ctrl or Command M or go to File, then Export and select Media. Here you've got a preview window of what you will be exporting. I would recommend exporting in H.264 or QuickTime and leave the preset on Match Shores higher bitrate, unless you want a specific exported format. Let's give it a name and save it to the right folder called Finals. In this case, I will add a V1 to the title so that I would always know which one was the oldest if I would make any future changes and render it again. That's all. Now you can just press export and relax until it's done.